Hey there, chess enthusiast! Get ready for an exciting deep dive into the world of chess ratings and the remarkable journey of one of the greatest players in history. Today, we're going to explore why Magnus Carlsen, the Norwegian Grandmaster with an IQ of 190, has set his sights on reaching the elusive chess rating of 2900.
Wow.
Will he ever get there? Stick around to find out. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind Magnus Carlsen's relentless pursuit of the 2900 rating milestone. Currently standing at an impressive 2861, Carlsen's average rating point for testing sits at 2776. Now, let's delve into the significance of this magical number and what it means in the chess world. The chess rating system. Before we dive deeper, let's understand the chess rating system. Chess ratings represent a player's proficiency in the game, ranging from a humble 100 points up to an astounding 1200, which is considered the novice rating. As you climb the ladder, reaching 1400 to 1600 puts you above a vast majority of players at the amateur level known as Class C. The challenging journey continues with Class B, spanning from 1600 to 1800. Reaching Class A signifies expertise, starting at 1800 and going up to 2000. And then there's the elite level, beyond 2700, where the Super Grandmasters reside. Magnus Carlsen's current rating. Magnus Carlsen's rating, standing at a world record of 2861, puts him among the best in the game. But what about players who have reached the 2900, 3000, or even the 3100 level? One example is Fabiano Caruana, who achieved a performance rating of 3103 at the 2014 Sinkfield Cup. Breaking these barriers requires exceptional skill, dedication, and a touch of magic. Magnus Carlsen's outlook. When asked about the 2900 level, Magnus Carlsen expressed that it had never been done before. He acknowledged the immense challenge and accepted that, even if he did everything correctly, it would be an arduous task. However, this ranking barrier became a powerful motivator for Carlsen to approach the game with determination. He realized that the pursuit of greatness lies not just in the end result, but also in the journey itself. Magnus Carlsen's triumph. Against all odds, Magnus Carlsen managed to shatter the 2900 barrier during the Julius Baer Generation Cup. In a thrilling match against the Indian prodigy Arjun Aragasi, Carlsen emerged victorious with a resounding 2-0 win. This unexpected triumph came after facing difficulties and controversies throughout the tournament, including a controversial resignation against Hans Niemann. Carlsen's persistence and unwavering belief paid off, making him the first player in the history of the Julius Baer Generation Cup to hit the 2900 tour rating mark. What lies ahead? Carlsen's remarkable achievement earned him not only the historic 2900 rating, but also the highest cash prize of a whopping $180,000. Furthermore, both Carlsen and Aragasi have qualified for the 8-player major tournament in San Francisco, cementing their positions as chess elites. However, the question remains, can anyone stop Carlsen's meteoric rise? We invite you to share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Magnus Carlsen's relentless pursuit of the 2900 rating has captivated the chess world, and his triumph in the Julius Baer Generation Cup has solidified his status as one of the greatest players of all time. Despite facing challenges and controversies along the way, Carlsen's unwavering determination and belief in his abilities allowed him to break the barrier that many thought would be insurmountable. But the journey doesn't end here. As Carlsen continues to push the boundaries of his own abilities, the question remains, can anyone stop him? The chess world eagerly awaits the next chapter in Carlsen's remarkable career. Before we wrap up, we'd like to encourage you to engage with our channel. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more captivating content about the fascinating world of chess, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to leave your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers and engaging in lively discussions. If you found this video informative and entertaining, don't hesitate to share it with your fellow chess enthusiasts. Spread the knowledge and passion for the game far and wide.